Why can't humans regrow limbs but starfish can? So, if a starfish loses an arm, it just grows it back. Similarly, a salamander, it can regrow an entire leg, but if you or I lose a limb, well, that's permanent. Why is that? We got DNA, cells, and healing abilities, so why can't we regrow our limbs? Let's start with the basics. Regeneration is the ability to regrow lost body parts. So, starfish, salamanders, and even lizards are expert at it. When they lose a body part, their cells around the wound don't just scar over, they reset themselves into a flexible stem cell like state. These cells then multiply, organize, and rebuild the missing structure perfectly. Now, here's the thing, humans can regenerate, just not on that level. Your liver can regrow up to 70% of itself. Your skin, nails, even your bone marrow renews constantly. But when it comes to big complex structures like an arm or a leg, our healing system takes a different route. So, when we get injured, our body quickly forms scar tissues to seal the wound and prevent infection. That's great for survival but bad for regeneration. This scar blocks the signals and stem cell activity needed to regrow new tissues. In animals like starfish or salamanders, those scar signals are turned off and regeneration genes are turned on. So basically, scientists have found that starfish and salamanders activate certain genes, like ones for cell reprogramming, growth, and pattern formation, right after injury. Humans actually have most of those genes too, they are just not active in the same way. Somewhere in evolution, as we grew more complex, we lost that full regenerative switch. But here's the exciting part. Scientists are trying to turn those switches back on using stem cells, gene editing, and tissue engineering. Researchers have already helped animals regrow parts of limbs in labs. Maybe one day we will be able to reprogram our own cells to rebuild what's lost. So, the real answer is we didn't lose the power to regrow limbs completely, we just switched it off somewhere in evolution. And science is slowly learning how to turn that power back on. Starfish aren't magical, they just remember what we forgot.